Would you like to know if your relatives have left some money in their bank accounts which is lying idle and unclaimed?
Promising relief to those with unclaimed bank deposit, the Reserve Bank of India has launched its centralized portal, Unclaimed Deposit, which is a gateway to access information or UDGAM. Now, this portal will help people track all their unclaimed deposit across different banks in one place. To start with, the portal will provide information on unclaimed deposit with respect to only 7 banks, that is SBI, PNB, Central Bank of India, Dhanlaxmi Bank, South Indian Bank, DBS Bank India and Citibank. The search facility for the remaining banks will be made available in phases by October 15 of this year. Interestingly, by the end of February, that is of this year 2023, public sector banks had transferred over rupees 35,000 crore to the RBI as unclaimed deposit. But now you must be wondering, how does money in a bank account turn into an unclaimed deposit and how can you claim that? To know, let's dive in. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to Moneycontrol channel. To start with, a bank account that is not being used first becomes inoperative and then eventually an unclaimed deposit. According to experts, savings and current accounts become inoperative if there are no transactions in them for more than 2 years. Recurring and term deposits become inoperative if the deposit amount remains unclaimed even after 2 years of its maturity. And finally, at the end of 10 years after an account, whether savings, current or term deposit account has become inoperative, the amount is transferred to the Depositors Education and Awareness Fund, which is an unclaimed deposit. Now, coming back to how you can find those unclaimed deposit. Until now, if you wanted to search for any unclaimed deposit, you would have to look for them on each bank's website. You do not need to know the account number for this though. Now, UDGAM promises to change this. The initial registration and login process is very simple. Getting started with the UDGAM portal is a straightforward process which can be done by following certain simple steps. Firstly, you need to visit the portal. Then, you can register to the portal by filing in your mobile number, password, and then OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Then you can log in through your initials to the UDGAM account. You'll then be directed to a page where you need to input the account holder's name and the bank's name. Additionally, choose at least one search criteria for options like PAN, voter ID, driving license number, passport number, or even the date of birth. Lastly, initiate your search by clicking on the search button to trigger the system to retrieve and display your unclaimed deposits details. Furthermore, once you have this information, you need to start making claims with the relevant banks. So the RBI's UDGAM portal is a fantastic tool to help you track down those unclaimed deposits at one platform. Remember, it's crucial to check regularly and claim what's rightfully yours. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Moneycontrol for more such information.